So good day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you step by step and practically how you can actually create a Facebook account. For you to create a Facebook account, you are just going to log in into your Facebook account. So you are going to log into your Facebook account. I'm talking to new beginners. If you are a beginner and you don't have an ad account before, those are the people that I am talking to. If you already have an ad account and you are facing issue with your ad account, you can drop the issue in the comment section so that I can easily rectify that. But in this particular video, I am talking to a complete beginner that doesn't have an ad account. So the first thing you need to do if you want to create your Facebook account is to go to your profile. This is my Facebook profile, as you can see here. So once you get to your profile, the first requirement for you to have a Facebook ad account is for you to have a Facebook page, because it is from that your page that you will have access to Meta Business Suite, and it is that Meta Business Suite that empowers or embodied everything about Facebook adverts on this online space. So now the first thing you need to do here now is to create your to create your Facebook page. How can you create your page? Just click on this small arrow here. It's going to take you to this particular page. If you are using your phone or your system, once you get to this particular page, just click on create a page. Very, very easy to do. Just follow it accordingly, then you are definitely going to be getting the same results. So once you get to this particular page now, you're going to be putting your page name. What is the name that you want to use as your page? I already have a lot of pages here, as you can see. I have African Princess and a lot of them like that. So how are you going to be putting? Just putting either your brand name or your business name or any name that you would like your page name to be. So just let me put in Prince RS. So that is what my page name is going to be. What category are you? What are you into on this online space? So what business are you offering? So I'm offering writing service business. So if you are into advertising, if you are into marketing, if you are just pick out something that is related to your search for it here and bring out what is related to your what you offer to the public in this particular place. So let me just put right that here, writing service. So you put your own there. So once you put your own there, then this is your bio. What is going to be on your bio? Bio is something that is going to be showing under your name. So what are you going to be putting? You can just type anything. So you already know that I already have the one. So once you type everything, the next thing you want to do is just for you to click on the create a page. And immediately you click on the create a page, automatically they are going to be creating a page for you on Facebook. So if you have clicked on this create a page and they've actually created your page for you, I want you to screenshot that particular page they've created for you. I want you to send it to my direct message and to also send it to African Prince RX Academy. When sending it, please put in your name, put in your APS code, and then put in the skill that you are learning, which is how to run a Facebook advert or how to create a Facebook ad. That is what I want you to put under your submission. So you remember, you are going to submit your first practical like that, which is the screenshot of the page that you have created. Okay, so welcome back. Now that you have actually created your page, I'm sure by now you'd have created your page. Now, for you to go to your page on your Facebook, you come to your Facebook profile as well. You can easily switch from your page to your profile, from your profile to your page. So you are going to click here and then go to your page that you have actually created. So I'm going to be using this, my African Prince RX page that I've actually created. So you can see this is my Facebook page where I run my advert. On your profile, you don't have access to Meta Suite, but on this your page, you have access to Meta Suite. From that Meta Suite, that is where you can actually create your advert. That is where you can create your ad account. So you can see that there is Meta Suite here. Let me check my profile again. So let me check my profile and see whether there is a Meta Suite that we can actually use there. So you can see here. So you cannot see it here. So majorly we use Facebook ad to create this particular Facebook page rather. So you go to your page after you have created it. Once you have created it now, you go to your Meta Business Suite. So you click on your Meta Business Suite. Please, I want you to follow it accordingly. It's going to take you to the broad face of what Meta Suite is all about. Meta Suite is just like, let me just put it like the house that bodied everything about Facebook adverts or Facebook running of adverts. So you can see everything here. So this is my own ad account because I already have an account. Your own, because it is a new page, is going to be showing like this page here. That is zero business assets. So how are you going to be creating your account? But everything is going to be showing like this anyways. So for you to create your ad account, it's very, very simple. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, let me just quickly talk a little about this Meta Suite. So Meta Suite, this is all the tools that they have inside this. You can see from ad manager, ad reporting, billing, audience, events, and everything. You are going to know how to use each and every one of them when you start running an advert. Majorly, the one you are going to be using most is billing and payment when you want to pay for your advert. And then the ads manager, that is where you're going to be seeing all the information about your ad. So I don't want to waste too much of your time at all on it. So let's get started in creating your ad account. So how do you create your ad account? This is very, very simple. How do you create your ad account? For you to create your ad account, you scroll down, so you are going to click on these settings. Once you click on this setting, it's going to open broadly for you in order for you to see what is in there. So it's going to open broadly like this. Once it has opened like this, please, I want you to pay more attention here. You remember we click on settings, it's going to show you like this. So the first thing you need to do if you want to create an ad account is to connect your Facebook page that you've just created, is to connect it to your Instagram page. How are you going to be doing that? So now for you to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page, you're going to go to your Instagram account. So once you get to your Instagram account, you go to your profile. Once you get to your profile, you click on these three lines at the top right corner of your phone. So once you click on that three lines, the next thing you want to do is to go and locate your account center. Did you see your account center? So this one at the top here. So you locate your account center, then you tap on it. Once you tap on your account center, you are going to scroll down and they are going to tell you manage account. So once you click on manage account, this is where you are going to be seeing. If you don't have your Facebook page connected to your Instagram page, you need to first add it up. So you are going to click on add account. Your own will be add account, but you remember me, I already added my own. So you are going to be adding your account. They will tell you to log in if it is that your Facebook page. You are going to log in that your Facebook page, log in your Instagram first, log in your Facebook page. Once you log in, automatically is going to be, did you see, log in your Instagram page, then you log in your Facebook page. After that time, you are going to be able to connect each and every one of them together. Once you have joined your Facebook page to your Instagram page, the next thing we now want to do now is to create our ad account. So for us to create our ad account, you are going to click on this ad account. So once you click on this ad account, they are going to be asking you, or you already have the ad account that I am personally using, but you are not going to be seeing anything here. So you are going to click on add. So once you click on add, they are going to be asking you, do you want to create a new ad account, or do you want to add an existing one, or do you want to request to an ad account in another business portfolio? So you are going to be clicking on add a new one. So the name of your ad account, what do you want the name of your ad account to do? Maybe Prince RS. So you just put the name that you want. So this particular time zone, the time zone is going to be, if you are watching me from Nigeria, just look for Lagos, Africa, or something thereabout. So this is Lagos, Africa, if you are from Nigeria. And if you are from any other state, just locate your time zone there. And this particular currency, please, you have to change it to Nigerian Naira because you are in Nigeria. So if you are from other countries, you know your currency, you can easily change it there. Because if you use another currency, that is what you are going to be using to make payment. But I'm sure for you to be able to make payments easily, you make sure you use your currency. So you click on next after that time. So they're asking you that this ad account will be used for what? Is it your business or another client? So remember, it is your own. If you are creating for a client, that is when you can say it is for your clients. But it is what? It is for my own business. So you are going to click on next after that time. So when you click on next after that time, they said, confirm the ad account you want to create. This ad account will be created and added to African Prince RS portfolio. You remember, I already have one account that I said before. If you don't have anything, they're not going to be telling you all this thing. Once added, you can't remove the ad account from this business portfolio. So I'm going to be clicking on I agree. I want to add this ad account to it. Then you are going to click on create ad account. And immediately you click on the create ad account, they are going to definitely create your ad account for you with immediate effect. So once they've created your ad account, it's going to show you like this. They said, would you like to make payment for this account? Because the account has already been created. So let me further it more so that you can understand. They said what? Add account created successfully. You have already created your account. So let's now assume you want to make payment. You can just click on add payment method. Once you click on add payment method, please, I want you to pay more attention here. You can see Lagos, Nigeria. You click on next here. Everything is correct. So far, your own is also correct. Then the next thing you want to do is to now do what? You are going to be making by bank transfer. Very easy now. Everything is easy. So once you click on that, I have an add account claim something. I don't. Let me check this one now. So let me just untick this one first. Then let me just click on next. So once you click on next, they will request for, do you want VAT something? Just keep this particular page, because if you have it, you can easily put it. But if you don't have it, you can easily skip it. So you are going to skip this one. So once you skip it, automatically they will ask you the amount that you want to be using, the amount that you want to fund your account with. Did you see? By default, you are going to be saying this for 5 on your own. So if it is 5,000, if it is 10,000, if it is 50,000 or 200,000, just put in your amount and click on next. Once you click on next, automatically they are going to be telling you or sending you the account number that you are going to be making your payments with. And once you make your payment, you are going to be seeing your money in your account immediately. Everything is easy, and that is exactly how to create your ad account. So just click on open. Once you click on this open, they'll take you to a bank where you are going to be making your payment, and that is exactly how to create an ad account and how you can actually fund your ad account. So let me now give you your assignment that you are going to be submitting in order for you to know that you have actually created your account. So this is the account details that you are opening for me. So for you that you have done that, let's assume you have already created your own account. You can see it here. So if you want to check your ad account, you go to all tools. So once you go to all tools, then go to ad manager. So once you get to ad manager, ad manager is where you are going to be seeing, if you are running an advert, you are going to be seeing the way your advert is doing. So me presently, I am currently running an advert. I'm going to be logging into my real ad account. So you can see this is the new ad account that I just created. So this is how it's going to be appearing on your system if you are going to be creating this ad account. Once this particular page has been loaded for you the way it is presently, I want you to screenshot this part as your practical for this particular training. I want you to screenshot it and submit it that ad account has been created successfully. You put in your name, your APS code, the skill that you are learning. Please include those 3 things when you are submitting, and that is exactly how we are going to be, or how you are going to be creating your ad account. So now, Let's assume you want to create an ad. I'm going to be creating a video for you on that when the time comes. But let me show you my own second ad account, this one. Let me show you now so that you can see how it's going to be looking if you are currently running an advert. So you can see this ad that I'm currently running. You can see it is high performing, active. You can see the second one too is also high performing. So these are how your result is going to be, cost per click and everything that you are doing. You can see amount spent 97,000. That is just in 30 days. So when you check the overall or anything, let me just check maximum. So you're going to be seeing everything about the amount that you have spent on ad. Did you see the impression or how many people that have clicked on ad, that have seen or impressed on your shown impression on your ad anyways? So the reach, you can actually see it there. The ad is currently ongoing and lot more. So this is where you're going to be seeing it. So now let me take it a step more further. When you get to this page and you want to fund your ad account, it's very easy. Immediately you get to this page, just locate billing and payments. Once you click on billing and payments, that is if you want to fund your ad account. Let's assume you started running advert. So click on billing and payments. Once you click on billing and payments, they're going to be showing you the amount that is remaining on your account so that you can put in the amount that you want to. Oh, I think they're going to be requesting for a code here. Okay, they didn't request anything. So this is my balance presently. So once you see the balance presently and you want to add more, I'll click on add more so you can see it here. So once I click on add, they're going to be asking me how much do you want to add. So I'm going to be adding, let me put 2,000 naira for this practical so that you can see how it works. I click on this one. You remember this one that we opened the other time? They're already giving me the account, so I'm not using this one again. Let me cut it. So this new one is what I want to use now to fund my account so that you can see how we usually fund accounts. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open a bank for you. It's going to open or give you a bank account that you're going to be using. You can see they've already given me the account details. So let me quickly log into my bank on my phone. So let me quickly log into my bank on my phone so that you can also see the way it works very fast and quick. So this is one of my accounts. This is one of my business accounts where I used to receive payment from adverts. So let me click on pay to bank. Then you put in the account number 1235139 So then you are going to choose the bank, which is Paga. So just pick the bank. Automatically they'll bring the name that is from Facebook ad. So they said the network is very bad due to something. So let me just click on it. It's going to be going like that. So this is Facebook ad. Then you click on next. After that time, you put the amount, which is 2,000 naira. So once you put in the amount and then you click on confirm payment and then I put in my PIN. So then it's going to go automatically. So far it is successful on your, you can see, then automatically is going to reload this particular one immediately. As you can see, they've already reloaded it and they said the money has been added to my account. And that is exactly how you can see, that is exactly how you are also going to be funding your account. And then that is good to go. Now that you now know how to fund your account, it is now good for you to know how to run a Facebook advert. If you want me to create that video for you, I want you to leave that in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.